Assuming you're searching for Algorand cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Algorand will go from here on out. We will investigate the essentially past costs of Algorand and will figure out what specialists in every practical sense are saying regarding its future cost activity. Kindly in every way that really matters. Remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master, experts amazingly. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful explicitly is totally unthinkable in a quite large manner. Be that as it may, we will especially attempt our in every practical sense best. How about we start? Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It basically was established by Silvio Macaulay, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different enterprises, including blockchain, money, and network protection, which is genuinely critical. A few critical elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated confirmation of stake that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for enormous scope applications in a significant manner. Security. Algorand in every practical sense is intended to truly be basically secure against assaults by vindictive entertainers, incorporating those with huge processing power. Algorand past value investigation, which in a real sense is very critical. As per especially the most recent information accumulated, the by and large current cost of Algorand is 23 cents and ALGO certainly is as of now position number 37 in the whole crypto-biological system. The flow supply of Algorand certainly is 7,128,877,294 with a market cap of $1,659,024,204 incredibly, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 9.64% as of now. From very most recent 7 days the ALGO was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.76%. Algorand has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and put resources into an unpretentious way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a LGO in a real sense diminished by 19.863%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of 5 cents from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy venture, which certainly is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 4.39%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of 22 cents to essentially greatest extremely normal cost of 23 cents in the in every way that really matters. Recent days, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand is somewhere near 9.17% with the by and large greatest typical cost of the coin was around 33 cents and the really least typical value of was around 28 cents in beyond 4 months. We truly anticipate future Algorand cost expectations, a LGO figure by applying profound in every way that really matters. Computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the all things considered, past value information of Algorand. We do our kind of the best to commonly gather greatest authentic information for the ALGO coin, which generally incorporate various boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume and hardly any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, explicitly try to peruse our expectations. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of 28 cents. The ALGO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 32 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 29 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 Algorand cost truly is gauged to explicitly arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 40 cents in 2024, in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 49 cents with the by and large normal estimate cost of 42 cents, which is very huge. ALGO value gauge for 2025 the cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at least degree of 57 cents in 2025, which is very critical. The ALGO cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of 69 cents with the by and large normal cost of 59 cents all through 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of a LGO. In 2026 the cost of Algorand is generally anticipated to generally reach at least degree of 85 cents, or so they thought. The ALGO cost can explicitly arrive at a most extreme degree of 97 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 88 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Algorand basically is especially anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.25 in 2027. The Algorand cost can fundamentally arrive at a greatest degree of $1.52 with the typical cost of $1.29 all through 2027, which truly is very huge, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1.82. The ALGO cost can in a real sense arrive at a really greatest value worth of $2.14 with the exceptionally normal worth of $1.87. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ALGO, in 2029 the cost of Algorand especially is estimated to be at around a base worth of $2.70 in a genuinely enormous manner. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $3.10 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2.80 in USD, which is genuinely huge. Algorand Value Figure 2030. Algorand cost truly is gauged to arrive at a flat-out least in every way that really matters conceivable degree of $3.96 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $4.77 with the typical figure cost of $4.10. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. The cost of Algorand generally is for the most part anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $5.92 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $6.93 with the for the most part normal exchanging cost of $6.08 all through 2031. Algorand Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Algorand certainly is anticipated to especially reach at any rate worth of $8.62 in 2032. Amazingly, the Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.08 with the truly normal exchanging cost of $8.92 all through 2032, which sort of is very critical, or so they in a real sense thought. What amount will Algorand be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Algorand will explicitly have a kind of least cost of $1.52 and a greatest cost of $1.25 per ALGO. Since Algorand is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth vacillates radically. How kind of much does Algorand cost in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The cost of Algorand will increment as sort of additional financial backers engage in the venture in an unobtrusive way. In year 2024, Algorand will be certainly worth about a normal cost of 42 cents. What will be the ALGO most elevated gauge cost for 2023? The ALGO cost is supposed to by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of 32 cents toward the finish of 2023. What is the Algorand cost today, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Today Algorand basically is exchanging at 23 cents with the market cap of $1,659,000,000